Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine and welcome to my new video. Today I am going to be talking about the top kitchen gadgets every Western lads need. This is all the keyboards that is the make your life in the kitchen is more efficiency is the more enjoyable. First number instable force. The instable force is the muscular cooker that is the can the pressure cooked slow cook steamed stove and more is the life save for the basic cooks then he went dinner on the table quickly and easily. Two number kitchen aid stand mixture. The a kitchen aid stand mixture is the most save any baker in the make with key and waves integrates with the easy is the also great is the make is the homepage post and dopes. Three number post food processor approval is another is the kitchen gate is the king the chief dish shrimp is the grand quickly is the easily is the perfect for the making slowly first in the huge short number blader is a great way to make smoother necklace and the frozen drink. I can also be used the pressure soup and sugar. Point number the air free is the healthier repair to the deer fry. G number due one is the vertical post that has can be used for the burning. Sat number a constant iron scale is the most heavy part. The any cook if you the double and the be used on the stove and the or art number win cache is a simple but still kitchen tool. It is the use makes it include quickly and even is a perfect by the making better source and discuss. No number measuring course and snobs. Measuring course and snobs is still getting the right amount of the install of the your scope. Ten number a cutting board is a must have in any kitchen. It is the use to chip dish and sign include it. So this is the top 10 kitchen gadgets everyone Western ladies need. I hope you have found this helpful. If you have any other question, please leave a comments below. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn about this gates or see some my favorite respect, be sure subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.